everyone, happy 2024! Today is the beginning of our journey to make all of our dreams come true. And so for that, we are going to be building a vision board. Yay! For anyone that does not know what a vision board is, it is basically a visualizing technique for manifestation. The whole concept is that by looking at the images of all your dreams and goals, you immerse yourself in that reality. Therefore, it makes it easier to believe that you can make your dreams come true. For me, this will be my very first year building an official vision board, and I've been highly inspired by the queen of vision boards, Amber Scholl.
Grab your fantasies and get in, losers. We're making mood boards.
And so now it's time to build our vision board. And for that, you will need construction paper. And of course, I got pink. Some glue. And pictures of everything you most desire. These pictures can be the actual representation. So for example, I think this one is pretty self-explanatory and something that everyone needs a little bit of. Or it can be something more abstract like this. And you can also fill your board with just inspirational quotes, motivational quotes, everything that makes sense to you, like this. But now, before starting to glue everything on your vision board, you need to pick a quote that resonates with you, and it will basically set the tone of how you want the year to go. And so, like I mentioned before, Amber is a true inspiration to me, and she's the reason why I picked the quote that I did to rule my year. And so the quote that I picked is this one: what if it doesn't come true? But what if it does? I don't know, guys, I just feel like this quote is very meaningful, especially if you're someone like me, where sometimes it's hard to believe in yourself and what you are capable of. I think seeing this every day as the way to setting up the tone to the whole year is the best choice that I could do. And so now, guys, I'm gonna be sharing a little bit of what I am gonna be putting personally on my vision board. I have a lot of quotes about romanticizing my life, about being proud of myself, and I even have a little that girl checklist. I'm also gonna be putting stuff related to my social medias, growth and becoming a content creator. I would love to be monetized on YouTube, on my 2 channels. I actually have a little Photoshop of subscriber counts. That's a big tip, guys. If you can like Photoshop stuff that you can actually see, you can see your face with the numbers that you wish to achieve. That's a big visualization technique. You can actually see that here, what I did to my little Revolut bank account. So you can see how I photoshopped this amount of money. Cause yeah, girls gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I also have a lot of pictures in regards of like feminine energy and self-care. I also really want to be better with my health, being more fit and being more healthy when it comes to my eating habits. I, of course, want to get married, and that should be happening really soon. I want to travel way more, and I'm actually very happy because at this point of building my vision board, I have done my first trip of the year, guys, to Ireland. So the vlogs are already up on the YouTube channel, and that was a whole lot of fun. I also really want to find my fashion sense. I have been someone that has my fashion very split, but I really want to commit to like an aesthetic I also have some materialistic things, of course. I really want to move. I want to get a tattoo with my sister, and once again, that's actually already booked as you're seeing this video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel because there's probably gonna be a little video about that real soon. I also want to open a business of some sort on Shopify maybe. Like, I have some ideas, but I'm gonna put that there for me to get more motivated into thinking about it. I also really want to spend more time in my social relationships and be more organized. Now that I shared my goals with you guys, make sure you leave in the comments which goals you're hoping to achieve in 2024. And now it's finally time to build our vision board. So now that we built our vision board, guys, it's really important that you set it up somewhere you'll be able to see every single day. And just a small reminder, guys, vision boards only work if you take action into making your dreams come true. But that doesn't mean that there's not a little bit of magic there. I really wanted to do this video, guys, so I can keep repeating it yearly, and maybe we can even start building our vision boards together, because then every year we get to celebrate each other's victories, and I just cannot wait to see what 2024 has for us. I hope you all achieve the life of your dreams, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye bye!